Hi friends. So in this video we are just going to see what is a pivot table and how to do this and how to achieve the result from a pivot table and what is the use of that, why we use that in the Excel. Okay, so I'm having a sample file which you can see. This is the data. Okay, the data is based on date, color, region, units and sales. Okay, sales amount. So if the manager or if you want to group this data based on some particular grouping, like based on color, and then on this red color you want only west, and on this west when you want only this units. So with these kind of requirements you want to group the data. So I'm making it clear this. Now the motive is to just group the data and not to, and we don't have any motive to do some calculation or evaluation. Okay, so okay, let's check how to do the pivot table. Okay, I'm closing this. I already have this tab, I'm closing that. Okay, so this is our sheet. So just to do the pivot table, nearby home you have this insert, right? Okay, so you see the tab insert, right? So click on insert. There you can find this option and you have to select this option, pivot table. Okay, I'm clicking there. So it will ask for the table range. We want to select the complete table range, and it will ask you if you want to create in a new worksheet or existing worksheet. So right now we want to create a new worksheet, so I'm giving okay. You just don't do anything, just click on okay. Okay, so it's okay. We have to select the table. We have selected on an empty cell, right? So I'm selecting here. Okay, I'm doing it. This is the table, right? So you are you are having the focus on the cell and then click pivot table. It automatically selects the table. Okay, and it is creating a default name table one. You can update if you want, and it is asking for new worksheet or existing worksheet. We want new worksheet. Okay, so it will create the pivot table on the new worksheet and the existing data will remain here. Okay, so I'm clicking okay. So if you see, it is automatically creating a sheet. Okay, and then new sheet, and if you see on the this sheet the old data is still there. You are going here and assume you want to so these are the four columns you can see here. One is filter, one is column, one is rows and one is values. So you want to see, these are actually columns. If you see here, date, color, you can see here date, color, region, unit, sales. So these are the five things that's been displaying here. Okay, assume now you want to see the sales total. So this is the sales. You want to see the sales total for region only west. Okay, so how we will be doing here is, so we are adding region, we are adding sales, since we want to see only these two. So if you see, it has put all the four but it has aggregated. So it has, it means it has taken only east and then it has added the sales for only east and it is displaying. Okay, so this is the sum of the sales. So that's why it is putting the default column name sum of the sales. And when you click on these two columns, so uh, they will appear here. So this is a field, this is a row, and this is appearing here. And since it is summing this value, it is creating the sum of values and it is assigning to this value section. Understood, right? So in case if you want to check add the color also, which means on east region I want to check the total sales of blue color, green color, red color and this category. So you don't have to go filter here, check like this east, and then after that you have to calculate the sales, and then so it's not like that. Here it is very simple. When you just group that, so as per the rows fields, it will appear here. It will automatically sum and give the total, and you can see it in a very structured manner. And you can add the filter also. Assume in this total I want to see only east and north. I don't want to see south and west. So you can go here, region, only east and north. Understood? So it has went. So this is very much so much flexible. And if you want to see only the north, I mean you don't want to filter here. Okay, I'm selecting all. You want to totally add the filter here. So what you can do is you can drag and keep this region in this filters. Understood? So it is filtering based only on the region, and you can see this column is appearing here. So here you can select only east. It will display only the sum of east. You select, you can do multiple selection also, east and north. See, the value is changing. So friends, ultimately there are still more features of pivot table which will be very useful to you, but I don't want to add this in the single video, so I'm just stopping it here. So ultimately I'm wrapping it up. Pivot table is used for grouping your data in a very flexible manner. You have the data, raw data like this. You can group it in any way. You can sum it up and show. So if your manager is asking for this in the sheet, I only want this specific customized data, which is ultimately going to be meaningful. So here, if you see for blue category and for only this particular region, I'm having this sales. Okay. So if you ask, does it only sum do sum or total and can't be minus, can't be subtract or other operations? It is also there, but as I said, we will see in the next video. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. It will be useful to you. So please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.